Hello guys, welcome to Superviral Reviews. Today we will discuss about Alpha Lead Standard. If you are interested in buying this product, you will find the link in the description below. This software finds fresh leads for any niche industry in under 4 seconds. You will never have to worry about generating leads ever again. Watch this video for more information about this product. Instantly access to millions of fresh leads. Find leads in any niche you can think of. Stop wasting money on ads for leads. Verified fresh leads from every state in US. Get instant return on investment ROI. Risk-free investment. Try it for 30 days with no question asked money back guarantee. Generating leads is pain in the ass. Have you been guilty of one of these things? Can't generate leads no matter what? Spending money on ads that never work. Creating useless freebies to attract leads. Hunting down prospects that won't buy. Setting up lead gen funnels that never work. Prospects giving you fake information. FB ad account suspended when running ads. Bitter truth, if you don't have constant flow of fresh leads, your business will die. Let's put an end to this madness. What if you could find verified prospects and leads in any niche with a click of a button? Instant access to millions of fresh leads on demand. Presenting Alpha Local Leads. Step 1. Choose a state. Step 2. Find lead by niche, state, job, zip code, and more. Step 3. Click search and you will see fresh verified leads instantly. Millions of leads at your fingertips, with one click. With Alpha Leads you will be able to instantly find verified fresh leads. Segment leads and download them. Save money and time on finding expensive leads. Make money selling products to verified leads. Make phone calls with built-in dialer uses Twilio. Become making guru in your sales. Here's some result. Risk-free investment 30 days money back. How can you make money using Lead Alpha? Sell them digital marketing. Become leads guy. Call them. Email them. Text them. Retargeting ads. Direct marketing. Direct marketing leads. Monetize any niche. Features that put more money in your pockets. Unlimited leads. Unlimited leads. Segment and export. Make and receive phone calls. Freshly updated. Tutorials. Information. Verified data. Premium support. Meet the man behind Alpha Leads. So purchase now and get this special bonus. If you are new on this channel, please like and subscribe this channel.